Okay, hi guys. I'm Warren Trinidad. So I'm the top two of the company Uno Premier, Uno Worldwide. So my task here right now is to present to you our very lucrative concept that you and I can, take advantage with. All right. So anyway, for the past how many years? For the past for 10 years. So I'm 10 years in the business, and I'm really excited for Uno Premier Plus. All right. So relax, have an open mind, have an open heart. If you want this, we can do business. All right. So let me share my screen or my PowerPoint. All right. So here we go. So again, our company is Uno Premier. Right now, you are invited here in our in this video for you guys to to listen how very simple, doable our concept is. Okay. So Uno Premier. Actually, we have we have Uno and we have the Uno Premier. So you are invited in Uno Premier Plus. For further information, Uno is 10 years. Okay, basically here in the Philippines, we are 10 years. We are created more than 3,000 multimillionaires, 2,000, 3,000 multimillionaires, and we have 100 plus offices all over the Philippines. And mostly our market in this Uno Local, what we call Uno Local, is for students or young people. Now, here comes the birth of Uno Premier. Uno Premier is basically designed for professionals, businessmen, and corporate executives, and of course, international market. Right now, we have 16. We have 16 offices international. We have in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Al Ain. We have in 4 or 5 offices in Nigeria, in South Africa. We have in the United States of America. We have in the Long Beach, California, and we have in Vegas. We have in United Kingdom. We have in Hong Kong, Macau, Singapore, and actually really growing like wildfire international. Okay, so what is Uno Premier? Okay, now our company is Uno Premier or Profitable Consumerism. Okay, before anything else, I just want to have you guys to have a brief background of our company. Okay, our owners are Mr. William Barbo, Herbie Chua, and Oliver Chua. Those 3 guys have 40 years of combined experience in running this kind of industry, and they produce thousands and thousands of multi-millionaires. Legality of the company, we have ISO, International Organization for Standardization. We have FDA, we have IDSEI, and we are always awarded with a global brand and the international citation of award-giving bodies. All right. So basically, for further information, you can surf our website www.unopremier.com, or our website in our team is unopremier-rl.com. Okay, we are all Red Lions. All right. So basically for the concept. So let's talk about the concept. Our concept is like this. All of us are consumers, right? We buy products in grocery stores or anywhere else. But before the products, before we enjoy the products, okay, it came from a company or a factory, right? The wholesaler will buy the product from them, okay? Then the middleman will buy the product from wholesaler, and then the area agent, and then the retail stores, okay? Before the product, we enjoy the product, there's like what we call commercials and advertisements. All right. So if we enjoy the products, the price is really high, right? So the good thing about this, the idea is like this: instead of paying those guys, okay, instead of paying the wholesaler, the middleman, the area agent, the retail stores, and so on and so forth, okay, why not pay the consumers while enjoying the products as well as we are earning while enjoying the benefit of the product, right? So that's what we call profitable consumerism. So we as consumers, okay, are enjoying the products or what we consume, and of course we are earning while using the products. Sounds good, right? Okay, now what are our products? So that's the big question. What are our products? We are into basic necessities. We are into health and wellness, beauty products. Basic products like shampoo, toothpaste. We have acai berry, we have glutathione soap, we have coffee. Again, we have a different video, okay, for the information of all the products. We have 40 lines of products right now. All right, so we have napkin, we have deodorant, we have liquid soap. If it's basic necessities. Then we have premier products like Nouvelle, a vegetable soap, NutriFab, good for people who want to lose weight, and we have the Pro Cardio, good for the heart. We have the Sante 8 berries, 8 powerful berries combined, okay, to have a super antioxidant effect, all right? Then we have the Lejeune, it's a 24 karat gold makeup. And then we have juice and then the coffee. So the difference within this coffee, the regular coffee that we have and this prime coffee is instead of having a sugar content, it is replaced with stevia. Okay, it's a natural sweetener, right? Organic. All right. So again, we have a different video for that. Now, let me talk about the profitable consumerism, our concept. All right. We have lots of ways of earning here, but the good thing about this one is this. Wait. Okay. The good thing about this one is all we have to do is do this 4 easy steps. Okay. Again, let me pull up my slides. All right. Now, what is this 4 easy steps? A very simple and doable system that you can do it. Okay, that you can do. Okay. So now, 4 easy steps. Number 1 is sign in. Okay, be part of Uno Premier. Okay. Number 2, new partners briefing. Okay. The good thing about this. Okay, all you have to study. We have what we call this. We have our website. Okay. I upload all the trainings on how I became successful and all those people that I help and that are very successful. Will everything is there. Okay, you don't have to have like 1 year, 2 years for you to to master this one. But in a matter of 3 days, 4 days, you will understand and how to do this very simple concept. Number 3 is use the products. Okay, instead of using any other brand, use our products. Because if you use the products of if you use the products of Uno Premier, you'll be you'll be earning. All right. Number 4 is sign in for partners. All right. You don't have to find them because all of our friends, relatives, and office mates are all consumers. All right. Now, 4 easy steps. That's simple. This. If you do this, if you do this 4 easy steps, you will be actually earning you'll be actually earning like us. All right. So you have 4 packages you can choose from. You have the Platinum, the Premier, the Elite, and the Global. So the difference is this: the monthly compensation or the monthly income. If you get the Platinum package, you will get like 11,200 maximum income per month. If Premier, $13,440 per month. Elite is 15,000. Global is $17,920 per month. Not bad, right? Now, this 1, 2, 3, 5 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here at the left side is how fast you are. Okay, how fast you can do the 4 easy steps. So maybe you can do this like first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, and then you learn this one. Or maybe first month, second month, third month, fourth month, fifth month. If you are really fast, you can do this like first week, second week, third week, fourth week, fifth week. Or if you are so very fast, okay, you can do this like fast. We can do this like first day, second day, third day, fourth day, fifth day. So basically, realistic. Like, let me show you if you can do this like every month. No, on your first month, you did the 4 easy steps. Okay, you sign in 4 partners. If they sign in, okay, with a Platinum package, you will earn on your first month $120. If Premier, $360, Elite is $760, it's Global $1,720. All right. Now, those 4 friends of yours that come in this business, they will do the 4 easy steps. Now, they will sign in 4 partners. Then the second month, they will be 16, right? Now, if they all sign in with Platinum, you will earn $160. If they Premier, $880, Elite, $1,920, Global is $3,840 on your second month. All right. Those 16 will do the 4 easy steps. It's a system. It's a concept. They will do just the 4 easy steps. Are very simple, very doable. Okay. All right. On the third month, 64. That's $1,280. If they all sign in with Platinum, Premier is $3,840. Elite is $7,000. Global is $15,360. Now again, on the 4th month, those 64, we sign in 4 partners. Those 256 people. Platinum is $5,000. Premier is $13,440. If Elite, they will sign in with they all sign in with Elite package. That's $15,680. If they all sign in with Global, you'll get $7,920. So you're maxing out. All right, you're maxed out. On your 4th month, that's 1,024. Again, that's 11,200. Premier is 13,440. Elite is 15,680. The Global is $17,920 per month. Not bad, right? Now, the good thing about this is this. What if you stop? Now, even if you stop, those guys that are earning will never stop, right? Because they are really earning. Okay, the system really works. The concept is very doable and very easy. All right. Number 2, you can invite actually not only 4, you can invite as plenty as people as you can. Why we we teach 4 partners for you guys to, you know, for you, that those people who are busy, okay, who are working or having a business that does have no time for this one, you can do this actually, because all you have to do is only sign for partners. But if you are like me, okay, that can see the vision, that, you know, you can actually invite a lot of people, because everybody else are consumers and they can actually do this even though they are so busy. Now, you know, that's the faster you will earn this in this business. All right. Now, last April 29 to 2017, we just launched our Premier Plus. So what is Premier Plus? There's what we call Plus, okay, in addition. All right. Now, remember number 3, use the products. They shift brand. They use the products. All our partners, our consumers club, are using the products. We have what we call the rebate. So let's say in a year or 2, okay, your organization went to 1,000 people, and they're actually using products like $50 per month. Again, they're not selling; they're like consuming products. So that's $50 times 1,000. That's $50,000. All right, that's a sale. So the company will give you actually 29%, but let's say it's 10%. So 10% of 50,000 is still $5,000 a month. That's what we call residual income, earning money, doing nothing. And of course, we have royalty. What is royalty? Okay, the company will give you royalties, okay, to those people who are you directly sponsored. All right, the moment they earn, you will earn royalty from what they are earning. So, example, on your first on your first level, the 4 people that join in, sign in, they earn. If you get the platinum, you will earn 10% of what they're earning. Premier is 15%, elite is 20%. Again, that's lifetime. Okay, elite is 20%. Imagine if you are global like us, 20% on your direct sponsored and 5% on your second level. All right. So the more people earning under your network, the good thing. That's really good, right? Okay. The next is what we call the reward. So what is reward? So we're into point system. While building your profitable consumerism, you will actually like accumulating points here, and those points you can redeem with gadgets. We have luxury items or travel like Vietnam, Korea, Japan, United States of America, or Europe. It depends actually on the country you are in. All right. So you have we have different reward system. All right. So you actually ask your sponsor about that. Now here in the Philippines, we have car rewards like Jazz, Vios. We have the SUV, and we have the sports cars too. So we buy cars here through points. All right. So that's a good thing, right? Now, now, how much is the sign in or the startup package, or how will I start in this business if I choose the Platinum, Premier, Elite, the Global? So wait, let's start with the Platinum. The Platinum is $380. Now, in any traditional business, if you start a business, okay, you shell out like $1,000 or $2,000 or $5,000 or $10,000 for a business or traditional business. You will take like 2 to 3 to 4 years to 5 years to have a return of investment, right? Now, the good thing about this concept, okay, the $380 that you shell out, okay, in your first 2 months, okay, you will be having your return of investment. Now, the good thing about that $380, you will be having a package, okay? The company will give you products worth $400. All right. Next purchase, 30 to 40% discount. When we have team support, okay, the good thing about this, we have our website. We have actually Zoom friends and so on and so forth. We can actually help you. All right. We have our website. We have trainings there in our website for you guys to start or how to start a business. Okay, to support and back you up. Then next. What if you get the Premier package, it's $1,140, and if those people are signing in under your network is Premier, okay, in your first 2 months you have a ROI. What if you sign in, you get in with Elite, that's $2,280 on your first 2 months, return of investment. If you sign in like Global package, it's $4,560 in your first 2 months, return of investment. So it doesn't matter what package you might have. The important is you will start the business as soon as possible. Okay. Now, the good thing about this, we have inheritance. All the income that you might have here in our business, you can pass it on through your next kin. All right. Now, you can surf our website, unopremier.com. Then we have our team's website, www.unopremier-rl.com. Okay. And then, of course, you can sign in with credit card. And the good thing about this, if you are into network marketing or into this kind of industry, a lot of companies are, sharing this business like this, but they will, they will push you to get like 1,500 accounts. And the good thing about Uno Premier, all you have to do is to get one account. Why one account? Why one account? So that you can focus on your team. Now, actually, what all you have to do is invite 2 persons. Why we teach you how 4, so that those people that are that exceeds into the 2, we're gonna 3rd. You can actually pass it on to the people under you. All right, that's what we call spillover. So there's what we call teamwork. All right, so the more the early you sign in is that what do you call this? You will have a good advantage, all right? Because if you sign in like a month from now, 2 months from now, and our organization will be very big, and you will sign in a month from now, 2 months from now, you'll be under our network. So might as well sign in as soon as possible, all right? So anyway, you can surf our website, www.unopremier.com or unopremier-rl.com, and you can surf my website, warrentrinidad.net. And you can ask your sponsor how to sign in, how to get your product package. It will be delivered to your doorsteps, wherever you are in the world. All right. So again, for further details of our compensation plan, you can ask your sponsor about it. All right. So again, I'm Warren Trinidad. Okay. Uno Premier is your partner to make your dreams come true. Okay. Let's help each other. Let's get our dreams. Okay. Good luck. Have a great day. God bless, and start now. All right.